Now we test that whole demo video system on the FPGA. So I've loaded that program that implements this particular circuit, which actually connects that background color RGB to the switches. That's what I have in here, similar to the basic controller, the VGA controller. But I also have loaded these two, the test pattern generator and the grayscale, which is one is the pixel generator circuit and the other one is the pixel conversion circuit or transformation circuit. And I also connected these particular two multiplexers, and of course I'm using these two switches, or I'm using two switches to actually bypass them. So these two switches are actually the most significant bit. Currently both of these two switches are actually on the high. That means I'm actually bypassing both of them. So whatever you have in here, it's actually the background color is being routed all the way to the synchronization circuits, and I can actually see it, that solid color that we've seen before. Now let's do see if that actually pattern generator works. So if I actually flip that switch, I believe this is the one. No, that's a grayscale. Okay, so this one, if I flip it, you'll see that that particular pattern generator got work. It actually worked. And if I want to convert, if I am basically, I can just keep it or bypass it, keep it or bypass it. And now I can take a look at the grayscale. But before I do the grayscale, what I want you to know is actually I'm following that path now. It's the pattern generator getting routed, and then you bypass the grayscale, and that's what you see in here. So now what we'll do is I'll take that pattern generator, we're going to put it through a grayscale to convert it to a grayscale, and then we see it. And that's basically what I'll be doing right now. So now I have a grayscale. And it makes sense now that the screen resolution is not really divided into three. If you take a look at it, the Y in here, so the one in here is 128 pixels, another 128 pixel. This is 128 pixels, so you have a little bit more at the bottom, because this is how I divided my code. You can actually change that code a little bit so that you get the bars with different widths.